Welcome to Cashflow Vision. Today we will discuss about difference between bonus shares and stock split. Friends, in our last videos we have seen information on bonus issue and stock split. In today's lecture, we will see the difference between both of them. We will compare these two concepts so that we will be able to understand them with more clarity. Please note that the bonus issue is an additional share given to the existing shareholders of a company, while stock split is the same share divided into two or more parts as per the split ratio announced by the company. Bonus shares are benefited to existing shareholders, while both existing as well as potential investors can get benefit from stock split announcement. Let us take one example to understand the difference in a better manner. Let's assume we have a company called ABC Ltd. If it goes for a stock split from the face value of 10 to the face value of 5, then the number of stock will get double and the price will get adjusted. Whereas in the event of bonus issue, face value will remain same, but the price will get adjusted in proportion of the bonus ratio. Friends, we have three columns in this table. One is for before event, one is of after bonus issue, and another one after stock split. And we have particular for ABC Limited like share price, face value, outstanding shares, market capital, and reserves. Let us assume all the amounts are in INR, Indian rupee. Let's see one by one. Before the event announcement, we see share price of 100, face value 10, number of outstanding share almost a lakh, market capital 1 crore, and reserves 2 lakh. What happened after bonus issue and after stock split? You can see the changes in amounts. After bonus issue, share price has come down to 50. Look at the face value, it remains same, 10. Look at the number of outstanding shares increased to 2 lakh. But look at the market cap, it remains same. And the reserve been reduced to 1 lakh. Let us move on to stock split. What happened to share price? Reduced to 50. Look at the face value, it has changed to 5 from 10. Look at the number of outstanding share increased from 1 lakh to 2 lakh. Look at the market cap, again remained same, 1 CR. Look at the reserves. Reserves have not changed. They still remain same, 2 lakh. I'm sure friends, you will find this lecture quite helpful. Till then, take care, stay safe.